Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I figured we can do a get ready with me with some new products. I still have products that I picked up from the Sephora sale and other sales that I haven't touched yet. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It would give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokies, I'm already sweating bullets. Just have my face moisturizer on. I did grab this. Let me tell you, this sale, I grabbed so many friggin' eyeshadow palettes, like I need like a hole in the head, but I couldn't resist. So I did pick up the Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge set that I wanted to try. Also, even though this was sold out, I think a couple of days later, a week later, you know, all the companies started having like their own sales. So I picked this up also, I think 20% off, 25% off. This is the Hourglass Ambient, the limited edition in Jellyfish. So I want to try that. I also picked up this, the YSL, the Candy Glaze Lip Smack and Gloss Stick. Who the heck knows? And as I was rummaging, because I have a stash over there, I noticed that I had this Tarte Man-Eater Blushing Glow Cheek Plump that I never even tried. It wasn't out of this sale. I don't remember when I bought it. Maybe when Ulta was having a sale over the summer. Who the heck knows? But anyway, let's try it, right? Let's just do it. Now here's my dilemma. We are going out tonight, but I really wanted to try like two different eye looks with this. So what? I mean, who's gonna look? Who cares? I really, I'm not a grungy girl. But I really want to do like a really big contrast. I know, let's just look, not I know, but here's the beautifulness right over here. Of course, that's going to be the background. Look how beautiful. That is so nice. And there's like a little plastic on here, if I could just grab it. Yes, ma'am. So here it is right here. So nice. Ooh, that is so freaking pretty. You know how I feel about packaging. So let me just open up this little lover right now. Oh shit, it's beautiful. Look at that. Wow, that is gorgeous. Oh my god, it's beautiful. So here's what I was thinking. Do you see, like on this side over here, it looks like it's pretty warm, pretty neutral, and then this side over here is like pretty grungy and deliciousness. I think that's what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna do like a nice nude, neutral, everyday-ish kind of look, and then we're gonna go pow on this side. I don't know how it's gonna come out. I'm a little nervous, but I don't know. Shall we swatch a couple? I'm looking at this right over here, Rebel, with an ELLE. I'm gonna touch it because it looks very. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna pull back a little bit because these lights are kind of bright. That's gorgeous. Should we dim down the lights a little bit? Yeah, let me just dim them a little bit. Okay, I think that's a little bit better. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh-wee. I'm gonna try this Strong as F. Ooh, that's pretty too. That's really nice. Okay, that's more like a the bottom one is more like a pewter kind of look. Wow, that's so friggin' pretty. Still getting over my illness. My god, that everything looks so beautiful. All right, everybody calm down. I'm going to use my tapety tape. Okie dokies. So let's just dive right on in, shall we? I'm going to go in with heroin all over the lid. I'm going to use heroin on both sides. Yes, I know, girl. I know. I'm going to just... This is a lot peachier than I thought, but I can't do it. I'm going to try my best. I'm going to take this almost all the way up to the brow. That's pretty. Okay, nothing earth-shattering. Cool. Then I'm going to take... You know what? I think I'll take the same brush. And I'm going to go to Rise Up. And then I'm going to go to Hope. Just on this side. going to change my brush to a flatter brush, and I'm going to take Hope, and I'm going to just start building just that outer edge. These are very powdery, so be careful. Wow, that's so pretty. That's beautiful. I'm going to just tap off, and I'm just going to go in my natural crease. I have hooded eyes, so you're not going to see this. As I'm looking straight ahead, you're not going to see it. But as the eyeballs move around, you'll definitely see it. I'm going to go back in with the original brush and go back to Rise Up just to soften this up a little bit. That's beautiful. Going in with Stand Up, that shimmer right there on the lid. Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay, so that's it for the neutral look. That is so beautiful. Do I want to put more in here? I just want to deepen that outer edge a little bit more, just right here. And then again, going to go back in with the lighter shade, Rise Up, just to blend this in a little bit. That is so pretty. We're going to do the eyes underneath everything in a moment, but let me just do the other eye. So we did go in with heroin all over the eye lid, and what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to just go all out. I'm going to take Freedom over here, and then I'm going to do Brave, and then Fearless, and Girl, you know we're going to go with one of those shimmers. Oof, that's what we're going to do. It almost has like this nice purpley hue. Like all the ones on the right over here have like that plummy hue. I want to deepen this up a little bit more. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, hell, look at Haphazard. You lied to me. Let me just show it to you right here. Ooh, look at that shift. That's really nice. I think we're going to have to put that on the edge. So I'm going to just take this brush again and just clean it off. This is the BK Beauty 203. Wow, that's really nice. All right, trickety trick trick. Ooh, look at that, how pretty that is. Can you see that? Oof. That is beautiful. Wow, that's really nice. I really want to use this black, so I'm going to go back in with the same brush. I'm going to just tap it, and I'm going to go in with Renegade right here. I know this grunge, I'm going to touch it. It's one of these cream, wow, look at that. It's very creamy. It's one of these creamy colors. It's kind of like, I guess they're mimicking like the Patrick Ta with those two creams. But I like to add a little bit of the black right over here. That is so friggin' pretty. Oof. I want to go in with a strong AF, and I want to just top this a little bit more. I like that kind of pewtery, is that a right word? That pewter look. That is so pretty. Oof, that's really nice. All right, let me just pull these little lovers off. Yes, ma'am. Really nice. The shimmers do flake, so that's why you do the eyes first. Wow, that is so nice. Oof, so nice. Okay, let's do the complexion real quick. Nothing new. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay, and I have my Natasha Denona concealer. I have a little bit of the Westman Atelier bronzer, and then we'll use some more of the new products. All right, cool. So I'm gonna just let that sit for a minute. I normally do not powder with this concealer. It is so damn good. So I'm not gonna powder yet, but I want to do a wing, and I'm going to use the BK Beauty. This is the 208. Girl, you know I can't do a wing. You know that, but I have to do it like from underneath. So I'm going to go in. Frig it. Let's go in with the black. Let's go in. I'm gonna go in with the black on this side. On this side, I'm just leaning, girl, because you know, once you lean, you get nervous. Wait a minute. Let me just tap that off a little bit. Oh my God, you guys, I am so sorry. I don't know what happened to this video. I thought I was taping and I even edited it. I don't know what happened. But anyway, I did go on the other side with a brown shadow to do the other side for the liner. And of course, I use the Hourglass to use it as a bronzer, as a blush, as a highlighter. I am so sorry, but I absolutely adore that Ambient Light limited edition. Okay, I don't know what taped and what didn't. All I see is like a red dot somewhere, and it's on, it's off. Anyway, I think the eyes and everything is done. Let me just take my hairdo down. Just take the wig down. No, it's not a wig. That's pretty. All right, that's really nice. Let's do the lips. So let me just take off my lip smack, and I just have on some City Lips lip balm, which I love, in clear. By the way, I have a discount code below if you want to use them. Their lip products are amazing, amazing. So anyway, so this is just I think a gloss. I'm gonna line my lips and fill in my lips with a lip liner, but I just want to jump in. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Smells like nothing. Ooh, clickety clack click. It's the dumb things. I'm gonna just try it on without anything on. And see. Oh, that is pretty though. I was to say, and see how shiny it really is. That's nice. Not what I expected. It's pretty thick. That's beautiful. Okay, so let me just take this off. I'm going to just line my lips. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Iconic Nude. I thought it was pretty neutral for both eyes. So let me just take this off. Okay, that's not what I expected. I don't know what I expected. It's like a lipstick. It feels like a lipstick. But it's so damn shiny. So let me just fill in my lipperoonies. Listen, about our age, like I'm so tired, like if I got like chinny chin chin hairs and my mustache, it's like every 5 minutes you wax it and it grows right back in 2 minutes. I don't get it. Is that what happens when we get older? It's like, I could have sworn I just waxed like, I don't know, a week ago. Damn. Filling in the lips. Maybe not all the way. Just on the sides, and I like to take my finger just to blend that in. Okay, that is super duper pretty. Now I'm going to go right on in with the lip smacking. Yep, that's beautiful. Holy shish kabibble, that is so shiny. That is so beautiful. Wow, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna have to go back and get more colors. It's a cross between a balm and a thick lip gloss. That is beautiful. Okay, so this is it. This is the final look of a Get Ready With Me. I'm using new products. I love this palette. I knew I was going to. I don't know which side I like better. You guys leave me some comments below. This is beautiful. I mean, I'm not surprised. Gorgeous. So beautiful. Not surprised at all. And what else? Oh, this is gorgeous. It is so pretty. What do you guys think? I'm going to come closer to you. Let me know which side, you guys let me know which side you like better. I love them both. I love them both. Beautiful. Anyway, so that is it. This is my video on a get ready with me using some new products. So that's it. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.